Hi guys, my name is Paul Brun. Welcome to the Bavarian Corner. I was looking at the original video back when I started the channel, and I noticed that the audio quality was absolutely terrible. So I am creating a new video for you guys which talks about this channel. What do I do on the Bavarian Corner? I do a lot of things. I am currently restoring my dad's 325i, so I'll put the intro video for that project somewhere around my head, maybe on the left or right side, I don't know. But I also will bring to you car reviews when I get a chance throughout the year. It's not my primary job, this channel is not my primary job. It is a hobby channel, and it is me bringing content to you guys. What kind of content do you guys want? Do you want me to do car reviews? Do you want me to just continue vlogging about my project car and how I am proceeding with it? Do you want me to talk about BMW Club stories? Because one of the other aspects of this channel is the BMW Club. I am currently the treasurer of the BMW Club of Ottawa, and I will be cross-posting a lot of these videos from my own channel, the Bavarian Corner, to the BMW Club of Ottawa, and we'll be pushing this content on our BMW Club website. So it's a multifaceted channel, and it's purely hobby-driven. The content on this channel is not set up for monetary gains, so if I'm able to monetize these videos in the future, if the channel does grow to the point where I can make money, hey, I will then probably take the channel into a different direction. Otherwise, what do you guys think? What do you want to see on this channel? Do you want me to talk about BMW news, such as the upcoming 8 Series that's going to be introduced in the next year, or do you want me to do car reviews? I know that there's a lot of channels that talk about car reviews, and they do a lot better job than me on content delivery. So I don't know if you want me to do that or not, but please leave a comment below. But I think what I'm trying to say is that this is my way of bringing content to you guys. I think the primary purpose, as I said before, is the restoration of my dad's BMW and the BMW Club. So you will see a few more things about the BMW Club on my channel, along with the BMW Club of Ottawa channel as well. If there's any questions or comments you have, please leave them in the comment section below. You can always email me as well through the BMW Club website. Alright, that's a wrap on this intro. Enjoy as I push out more content to you guys moving forward.